Nestled in the heart of Mexico, Guadalajara, the second largest city in Mexico, enchants visitors with its rich cultural heritage and dynamic atmosphere. Moreover, its proximity to destinations like Puerto Vallarta makes it an ideal hub for exploring Mexico's Pacific coast. Mexico itself stands as a vibrant mosaic of culture, history, and natural beauty, beckoning travelers with its myriad attractions. Welcome to our training center in Mexico, your gateway to an enriching educational journey in the heart of Guadalajara. Nestled amidst the vibrant cultural tapestry of this historic city, our training center in Mexico stands as a beacon of excellence in teacher training. But what truly makes our training center in Mexico special is our vibrant community of worldwide job contacts, trainers, and graduates. Whether you dream of teaching English abroad, expanding your horizons, or making a difference in the lives of others, our school is the perfect place to start. Come be a part of our thriving community and let your passion for teaching ignite brighter futures around the globe.